Hey, thanks for coming back to Casey's Garage. A little different opening this time.
Chevy Sonic.
I forgot
Mint
to record
mint
what the problem was with
Just
the car.
a little bit of damage.
PCV valve was bad, and I had a whole video of me showing you how it was bad. So instead of me showing you what was bad, I clipped another video from another YouTube person, and I'm going to show you their video. And I did the same diagnostics and found out this is how to fix it. So I'm going to show you that video right here, that clip that's running right now, and then I'll show you how I repaired it. Thanks. Okay, so right here, what she's going to do is she's going to start up the engine, and then she's going to pull the dipstick, and you'll see that first the engine almost dies when she pulls the dipstick out, and then there's a lot of suction. You can even hear the suction coming out of the dipstick. And she'll put her finger over it, and you can hear it locking off the suction. So I did the exact same thing on the car I'm working on, and it did the same exact thing, even with the other hole. There's a little rectangle where she has her finger right now, and even right there, you can feel suction coming in. So replace the valve cover, and the rest of the video is going to show how I did that.
Okay, here's the two different valve covers. This is the new one. This is the old one. There's oil all over it, which is what to be expected. But it looks pretty much the same. The new one and the old one. I didn't get any fancy brand name. It was just some generic name. This valve cover gasket seems a little stiffer than this one. Yeah, definitely stiffer. I did get a good valve cover gasket. I got a Victor Rents, and who knows what this is. This feels like almost plastic, man. It's like, I guess it'll be fine. All right, well, I'm gonna put this sucker on there, and I'm gonna clean up around the mating surface, just get the oil off there, and then put that on there and screw it down, and I'll be done. I just gotta hook up this here in the back. Let me show you because you can't see it. It has this clip on it. It's got this clip that slides on like this on this this fitting here. Actually, now that it's off, I can put it back on. It just slides on there, and then when I snap it onto the valve cover, it'll snap. It won't be able to come off. So, okay, let's put the new one on. Okay, and just like that, new valve cover's on. It took maybe 30 minutes total. Start it up. Let's see how it runs. Sounds better. Oh, maybe not. Let's see if. So this is gone. There's no air coming out of here. No vacuum leak now. And this is nothing. So that was the problem. There's no suction out on here now at all. It seems to be run. Oh, is it gonna die? Maybe it's trying to relearn. I don't know, but that's fixed. The PCV is fixed. It's not leaking anymore. I'll take it for a test drive later, but let's see if it dies. All right, so I'm just gonna let it run. I'm gonna let this thing run for a little while and get warmed up while I clean up, and we'll see how it runs. I'll come back and give you a little update. Alright, it's running for a little while now. It's running real rough. I haven't threw any codes. There's no codes yet. Seems like, to me, it's shaking a little bit, and it's making some kind of ticking noise. I don't know if it was doing that before. But let's take it for a quick test drive. That could be injectors. I don't know what it is. I'm just gonna drive it around. I forgot to. She needs wipers too. I got the wipers right here. That needs to go on this windshield shot. All right, let's see. This is what I'm looking out of. The real test is I'll take it out, take it to lunch or something, and see how it runs. All right, let's see. Seems to be running okay. It says a tire monitor. It's bad, but all right. I think it runs pretty well for what it is. So to recap, the car was getting a P0171 Bank 1 System 2 lean, and it was also getting a P2270 oxygen sensor signal stuck. Lean Bank 1 Sensor 2. So all that means is it was getting more air than it thinks it should be getting. So fix that the PCV valve, and it looks like that did it. It obviously was broken because you could see the before where it was sucking through like crazy, and the dipstick had suction, which it shouldn't. And as soon as I replaced the valve cover with the new PCV valve in it, those issues went away, and now it seems to be running better. I'm going to take it for a longer drive pretty soon and make sure that everything is fine. I think it is, and then I can give the car back to the person. All right, well, thanks a lot for watching. If this video helped you in any way, please hit the like button. If you have other friends that are whatever that are having problems with their Chevy Sonic 1.8 liter or Chevy Cruze or whatever else this engine's in, go ahead and share this video with them, and hopefully it can help them also. And if you're not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. I got other projects going on, so check out my other videos and see if there's something you like. I got a lot of different kind of cars and stuff like that, so there's probably something that everybody likes. Anyway, go ahead. Thanks a lot, and I will catch you later. Bye.